Welcome, Sekhmet's children, to Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. Today's video is a DIY African black soap, black rice water face wash. It is an anti-aging remedy. Let's get started. 1 cup of black rice. Shaved African black soap. 1 teaspoon of flaxseed oil. 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Now it's time to rinse the rice. Black rice has 18 amino acids, minerals, and vitamins like copper, iron, zinc, and carotene. Black rice helps prevent skin from environmental conditions such as pollution and sun damage. It helps prevent aging of skin and decreases signs of aging such as fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Black rice helps to balance and restore skin elasticity. I'm using spring water since I am putting this on my face. I will let it soak for 1 to 2 hours. The rice soaked for 2 hours, and so now we are going to blend the rice and the water together. Now we will strain the blended black rice into a pot to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm using a spatula to get the rest of the rice out. Heating the rice up so that it can be warm enough to melt the soap. Don't do like I did. I put a half a cup of African black soap. You only need a tablespoonful, and you'll see why. African black soap is made from natural ingredients. It has antibacterial properties, which can help improve certain skin conditions, and it may even slow down some signs of aging. I had to add more water. See how thick that is? I don't want you guys to have to struggle. But what I did, I took the excess and made some body wash. This doesn't take away from the black rice. Avocado oil hydrates, moisturizes skin, and shields skin from ultraviolet radiation. Flaxseed oil reduces the appearance of wrinkles and other aging signs. Melting the African black soap in the black rice water. It's time to pour. Now it's time to test how well it works on the skin. I'm putting water on my face. Don't need a lot to put on your face. My skin looks clear and smooth. Thank you, Sekhmet's children, for watching DIY African Black Soap Black Rice Facial Wash and Anti-Aging Remedy.